What's going on, guys? It's Blender Bench here, back again with another video. And I know it's been a while, guys, but I'm back. And so I thought I'd switch it up and do something a little bit different. About a month ago, I asked you guys in my private Discord channel to submit me a bunch of questions that you guys want to know, whether it be about my personal life or about the YouTube channel. And you guys have done that. Sorry it took me a while to get back, but here we are. So one of the top asked questions I got was, is YouTube my only job? And the short answer is no, because I just started getting monetized on YouTube, so I haven't even really seen any of that money yet. And my primary job is a 3D artist working in the gaming industry. And I work for VC, and if you guys don't know what that is, it's Visual Concepts. And we're the guys who create NBA 2K. So if you guys get a chance, go check that out. I'll probably have a video running while I'm talking right now so you guys can get a quick preview of that. And also I have affiliates as well, so when I promote things on my channel or mention to you guys to go check out those things, I get a source of income from that. I post tutorials on Skillshare as well as Udemy, and Patreon, which I just recently closed down because I don't need that anymore. And another question I got is, why don't I post so often? And that kind of ties in with the last question, and that's because I work full-time in the gaming industry, so it doesn't really afford me so much more time outside of work and family to focus on my YouTube channel. But I've been getting a lot better with organization and time management, so I will be posting a lot more frequently. Now, another question I got, was it's a random question, and I can't go into super details about it. And the question is, how much money do I make? And that's really a broad question because I signed an NDA, which is a non-disclosure agreement, that I can't disclose how much I make or anything about the company, but I can tell you how much in between I make. I just can't tell you the exact amount. So if you look up 3D artist average in Austin area, and that's where I stay, you'll get a better grasp of how much I actually make. But I'll say it's between $3,500 and $4,000 a month. So pick a number between there, and there you go. And that's just from my day job, my 3D artist job. Also, one really important question I got asked from one of you guys is, how did I get into the gaming industry, and would I recommend going to school or learning it from YouTube? The short answer would be, if I can go back in time, I do not believe I would have went to school, because I think it was for the most part a waste of time, because a lot of the material that the professors distributed to us as students was picked up from YouTube, and a lot of times they just sent us to watch YouTube videos. So I definitely wouldn't recommend going to school if you don't need to. But one thing that's good about going to school is connections, because a lot of the jobs that I had in the industry, whether it be I interned at Daybreak Studios, which makes DC Universe, and I worked on Genlock at Rooster Teeth, as a lighting artist. And those jobs, and also actually when I worked at Arcane as well, all three of those jobs were because I made connections, and those were recommendations. And I definitely wouldn't have got those recommendations had I had not gone to college. So that's one thing that's really good about going to school, is you meet people so you can network. So if you want to network, that's really good. But you can also spend a lot less money, going to school, when you can just, get a regular job and start to invest in yourself by, investing in a computer, these programs, Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Blender's free, Unity's free, Unreal's free. It's a lot of free resources that a lot of people don't take advantage of. So I definitely would do that. And to get back to how I got into the industry, I want to just caveat off of what I said before, and that's networking. Don't be afraid to reach out to someone on LinkedIn. I'll leave a link to my personal LinkedIn in this description, so if you guys want to add me on there, you can. I have a few connections in the gaming industry, and networking is really important. No one's going to ever know you. You could be the best artist, singer, rapper, and if no one knows of you, there's no point. It's useless. So networking is good, and I was able to network. But as far as the steps I took to secure my position as a student, knowing that the gaming industry is really competitive, and knowing that you should work twice as hard, because you're not just competing against the people in your class or your school, you're competing against people in other schools, other districts, other cities, other states, other countries. I think we have enough time for one more question that I got from you guys. I got a bunch more, and if I had more time, I definitely would go through all of these. I just wanted to sum up the ones that got asked the most. And the last question I got is, do I have any future plans for the YouTube channel? And yes, I do have future plans. One will be starting really soon, and I'm going to be creating my own game. So I work in the gaming industry, so that's my job that I work on, but I want to create my own game, so I'm creating my own little mini gaming studio. I'll disclose a lot more information as I start to progress, and if you guys want to follow me or support me, I'll have more links to that in future videos. So I want to do that. I want to focus more on Blender tutorials because obviously my channel is Blender Binge, and prior to doing Blender videos, I posted a lot of Fusion 360, which is CAD modeling videos. And what I want to do is, within the next week or so, I'm going to shut down my Udemy because I don't need the money from that anymore. So I'll be actually taking all my content from there that I made thousands of dollars on and putting it on YouTube for free for you guys. Although I will have them monetized so I can actually make some type of money off of it that goes towards the channel. And anything I make on my channel, I'm going to be putting it back into the channel or the gaming studio. So it's a win-win. Yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this little Q&A video, and if you did, please give the video a like, thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know what you guys thought of the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.